Welcome to What's Cooking with Momma Pearl. What's cooking today? Absolutely nothing. Mom is taking a sick day, but everybody still has to eat. So what do you do when your chronic illness or just the local virus going around affects you and you can't be in the kitchen cooking, even for yourself? And in later videos, I'll talk about how important it is to cook for yourself. But today we're talking about what to do when you're sick. I usually keep a stash of pot pies, just 2 or 3, and I get those at the Dollar Tree for $1 a piece, or a couple little TV dinners. Yeah, they're not the best for you, but when you're sick and all you can manage to do is get something in the microwave for 5 minutes and get some food in your stomach, then, you know, they're better than not eating. And for me, it's hard to eat when I'm sick, when I'm under the weather. It's an effort to prepare food. Another option we do is once a week, my son looks forward to this day. It's his favorite day of the week. It's pizza day, where we order pizza for him from one of the local pizza places. Right now, one of them is offering a menu where you can get pizza for $6 and with 2 toppings, and he really enjoys that. Another option I've done, and this works well for family get-togethers, when one of my kids had birthday and everybody came over for that. Instead of me spending the whole time cooking all day and then serving and then cleaning up, doing dishes, we ordered from UberEats. And we've also ordered from DoorDash. Both of them, I think, are very good services. And when you think about your time and how much your time is worth, and then how much it actually costs in charges and stuff to have the food delivered to your house, where you don't have to get dressed, you don't have to drive, you don't have to waste gas, you don't have to put up with sitting in a room full of other people when you just don't feel like it. So I would encourage you to think ahead when you are not sick and you're at the grocery store or you're ordering your groceries from Instacart. That's another thing I do, is I order groceries from Instacart. Sometimes I can get delivery within an hour. And you can have delivered, you know, anything that's in the store. So a loaf of bread, a thing of deli meat, and a block of cheese. And, you know, that's a pretty good meal. But plan ahead when you're not sick and make sure that you have food that's quick and easy to prepare for those sick days. Because if you're sick, 1, you don't feel like eating, 2, you don't feel like cooking. But if you don't eat, if you don't give your body fuel to heal itself, you're not going to get well as quickly, and you're not going to be back up on your feet. It's kind of like a cycle. And we'll talk about cycles more in the Mental Health Monday videos coming up. But anyway, so those are my quick tips. And to recap, 1, keep quick, easy foods in your freezer that you don't have to cook. You just microwave for a couple minutes. 2, learn about your local meal delivery services. And 3, there's nothing wrong with ordering pizza, really. And some of these pizza places, they have so much more than pizza too. They have salads, they have pasta, they have sandwiches. So look into your delivery services and make sure you eat. Yes, you are worth $20 to order food to make sure you get well. And don't be scared of that. And don't deny yourself food. This has been Momma Pearl with What's Cooking, and we will see you next week.